Linking your bank account to Export Development Bank of Egypt can streamline your financial transactions. Follow these steps to complete the process. Step 1. Gather required information. Before starting the linking process, collect all necessary information, including your bank account details, identification documents, and any specific forms required by the Export Development Bank of Egypt. Step 2. Visit the bank's website. Go to the official website of the Export Development Bank of Egypt. Look for the section related to online banking services or account linking options. Step 3. Access the account linking section. Navigate to the account linking section on the website. This may be found under customer services or online banking features. Click on the appropriate link to begin the process. Step 4. Fill out the application form. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed to online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Submit and confirm. After filling out the form, submit it as instructed. You may receive a confirmation email or notification. Follow any additional steps provided to finalize the linking process. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account should be successfully linked to the Export Development Bank of Egypt. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.